Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to begin working in the animations menu. We've already discussed the file menu, the home menu, the insert menu, the design menu, and the transitions menu. And the animations menu is very similar in nature to the transitions menu, except for all of the action will happen on the actual slide. And any of the elements that you have on the slide, you can control how and when they appear to the person when your presentation is actually happening. So for example, you see a number of different lines of text. We can control when these elements are seen, and we can control how they appear one at a time during an actual presentation. So for example, if we were to choose one particular animation, the float in animation, you'll notice that all of these will be numbered. We can then preview that animation as to how it's going to appear during an actual presentation. You can do that by clicking this preview button. We can determine that these animations will happen at a particular duration, a period of time, or we can determine that they will happen on a click. So for example, if we want it to happen during our presentation, when we click our mouse, we can click on click. That means then that every time we click the mouse, one of these new elements will appear. And if you look closely, you'll notice that there are numbers, and this is the order in which these elements will appear. You'll see the number 1, number 2, the number 3, and number 4. All of these elements will appear in that order. Now, in order to see how this is going to appear during an actual slideshow, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our slideshow menu. We're going to click from the beginning. And what we're going to do is display the animation. And you'll notice that each one comes in on the mouse click. Now, if you click on one of the animation buttons, you can reorder when this element is going to appear by going to this Reorder Animation tab, and you can move this animation to earlier or later in the presentation. So even though they appear in this order as you write them in, you don't have to leave them in that order. You can actually have it appear when you want. You'll just have to use this panel that says Reorder Animation. Now in the next video, we're going to discuss the automation of your animations. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.